Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ungazala ngale nto ibaluleka mina le.
Yazi phela abanye kade wasibathembisa.
Abanye
It's far from everything.
yini far from
I know it's not like we are trying to plan another thing.
Ngiyathanda.
I'm the mask.
She called her out to fix things and apologize. I'm super proud of her for that.
Ngaba niphutha ngazibona futhi ngaba niphutha. So ngizoxolisa iphutha lami engalenzayo wena. Egcineni fanele sizwane ngoba ngelinye ilanga ubaba uyohamba emhlabeni ashiye kuyoba njani masishiyile singasazwani. So kwefana uthi hayi kanje ngcono izinto sizilungise manje ubaba esakhona.
But for some reason, I expected Mpilo to also apologize as well because she has made some really not so nice remarks about Sneh. But Dololo, she didn't.
Because when unkomunye umuntu ekhaya mfethu uyajela naye, is it because mhlambe i-personality yami
Vele nje Mpilo sometimes ungazi ukuthi umuntu ubone ngani
kwenzekeni.
Sneh went even further to say this.
Wena kuketshane nompumelelo nibe right nikhulume ngakusasa. Ketshane abone nibe right nikhulume ngakusasa. Wahluka kumina.
abona uphumesi ngiyaphika siyesiketshane kube ibona ababuyela kumina bazongikhulumisa. Wena awuzange ukwenze lokho.
And instead of saying sorry, she was just like, girl, this is how I am. You better make peace with it.
Mina ngidalwe kanjani yabo umuntu bengazi ukuthi sibe naye. Ngabuza ngisho uma ungizalayo. Angikwazi ukukhulumisa. So I can't now mina go to you and apologize, an insincere apology at that, because I don't know what I'll be apologizing for.
That after, she was just like, okay, for the longest time, I've been having anger because I didn't know what I did to you.
For isikhathi nje eside ngike ngaba nokuthukuthela ngoba ngingazi manje ukuthi ngikwenzeni kanti nawe futhi manje awusho ukuthi ngikwenzeni. I was bengine-hurt nje leyo kodwa other than that anginankinga.
But hey, who cares? They forgave each other. I'm just happy about that. And they made peace.
Anginankinga futhi nje kwesami lana ushoxolisa sho umusa nje bengalindelanga bethu uzoxolisa so ngiyabonga bengakubambelanga kakhulu. Kuvele sho umuntu maxolisa ngiyaxolela mina sine angikazi ngingaxoleli bandla.
Otherwise, Tirelo on his side was busy exposing Mpumelelo, telling Seleko how Mpumelelo doesn't want to stay in Mzumbe. And all this she said while she was taking their son there to visit, also stating for herself that she doesn't want to stay in Mzumbe either, that she's a city girl, she wants to be in the city where she'll be closer to things.
Akathandi nje inhlobo ukuhlala eMzumbe. So why ukayetsa motho silo seleng gore lwena ha o se rate.
But Babake gave out the final order that if she loves his son, she will stay in Mzumbe, and that's final.
Mawuyithanda ngempela le ngane yami uzohlala lana. Awuhleka.
Phela amathombeni amahle njengoba bevumelana bayasho ukuthi kuyogcina bona. Kodwa ke sobona ngalelo suku.
And another thing I'm also realizing is that Mseleko, instead of grooming Mpumelelo into being responsible, taking care of all of his kids and providing for them, he's busy supporting him on adding more women into his life, which is really confusing me because what does Mpumelelo do for a living besides the reality show? I really want to know that.
Khonoze emzombe noma ezimzombe sengishela uNkulunkulu nezidalo. Sesiyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani ungazi kulungile ozayo kulungile futhi nalapho.
Kusho ukuthi ngenye indlela yena uzogwinya lokho thina esemfunza kwakhe. Ayiqedile.
Mpumelelo was also called out by his new bride-to-be.
I'm Amahlakabiyela, ngina 20. I'm originally from emakhaya endaweni ebizwa kuthiwa iseMedmont. Ngiyafunda ngizinyaka yesithathu my final year.
For the promises, the empty promises he made to other women that he didn't keep. Amahla called him out, even asking him what is so special about her that he chose her. And whether he was going to go through actually with the marriage and everything.
I have mixed emotions.
Indaba ukuthi ungadlala ngale nto ibaluleke kabi le nto lena.
Sazi phela abanye kade wasibathemba ukuthi
Abanye oba. Awukubi wena.
She went on to explain exactly what she was talking about, and this is what she said.
khona abanye asabathembisa umshado kodwa akakaze avafide.
Hayi ngithemba. Yangena manje. Akekho futhi engamthembisa umuntu. Ngekho umuntu engamthembisa kungayenzi.
And whether he was going to go through actually with the marriage and everything. But here we can see also on the upcoming episode that Mpumelelo will be talking about paying lobola. He's really taking this seriously because we'll be talking about paying lobola for amahle. So, and another thing that will be coming up is that Drelo will be having a sit down with Mpumelelo's dad, telling him how Mpumelelo doesn't pay child support. You also remember that reportedly, allegedly, he doesn't financially support Viogas's kids as well. So my question at this point is, why is Drelo keeping on with this relationship, marrying this man, when she knows all this? When she knows he's not supportive of their kid financially, what's gonna happen down the line when they have more kids? Mind you, it's a polygamous marriage. Your Drelo has liver for days. Wow, she's one brave girl. Anyway, fam, if you'd like to support the channel, there's a thank you button down below somewhere. You can support however you'd like to. Otherwise, let's take all of this to the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.